New tonight, concerns are mounting over how potential tax increases and possible changes to property tax classifications could impact residents, especially renters, in the city of Buffalo.
Join your sides, Alyssa Clausell was in council chambers for the discussion. She joins us now from the newsroom. Alyssa.
Hey there. Well, as the Ryan administration prepares to roll out a proposed budget that is expected to include a tax increase, officials say Buffalo is in a dire financial position, but some council members warn that the cost could fall hardest on working class residents. Mayor Ryan has said he would propose a property tax increase as high as 25%, but at the same time, questions have been raised about whether some rental properties could lose their lower homestead tax rate. A lower rate usually reserved for homes that are owner occupied, meaning the owner actually lives there. Right now, council members say many 1, 2, and 3 family homes qualify for that lower rate, even if they are rented out. But still, some members of the Common Council say even the possibility of changes is cause for concern, especially for renters. But the Ryan administration says changes to the homestead rate for rental properties are not expected anytime soon.
They're working, and they're working hard, and they're making $35,000, $37,000 a year. And if it ends up being $30, $50 a month, additional taxes, you know darn well it's going to be $100 on the backs of my renters.
One of the pieces of legislation we initially sought passage of in Albany was, we called it a homestead reform bill, which would be you'd get the homestead rate for truly owner-occupied properties versus right now anything that's a triple or below currently gets it. Right now there has not been much movement on the legislation in Albany, and so it's actually pretty far on the back burner in terms of things that folks should be worried about actually occurring.
Now, Swanekamp says the only legislation making progress at the state level so far deals with taxing vacant or abandoned properties at higher rates and authorizing a real estate transfer tax. The homestead rate, the lower tax rate for the owner-occupied homes, it's not expected to change anytime soon, as he said, and rental properties will still qualify under current rules as of right now. On your side, in the newsroom, Alyssa Clausell, Channel 2 News.
Thank you, Alyssa. Still to come here.